Jay, you're alive, but I killed you.
Generated by... Hey, Japan, I didn't stay dead. Generated...
How is this possible?
Generated... It's possible thanks to the Shadow can now hand over that ring.
You wanted, you got a code for me.
Generated... Gladly. I'm stronger now, you lose green arrow.
You won't get away with this.
But I already have. What a shame you came all this way for nothing. Well, better get going. See you around. Generated.
So J-Day's alive.
Generated by...
Yes, and he now possessed the last ring.
Generated by...
But how did the Shadow King resurrect? But how did the Shadow King resurrect him?
They must have used the black diamond. That's how they brought JJ back.
Generated by...
But the diamond is safely locked away. At least it was the Shadow King must have it. While we were fighting. JJ.
Generated...
That means they almost have everything they need to plunge the world into darkness.
Generated by Revoice.
But they don't have this ring. We just need to keep it safe.
Generated...
But this place isn't safe for it. I'll hold on to it.
Generated by...
Are you sure about this, Mia?
Generated...
Yeah, I don't think the Shadow King knows we have the other ring, so my place will be a perfect place to hide it.
Alright, mean, but hide it in a safe place.
Generated by...
Don't worry, I know just the place.
Generated by...
Detective Lopez, what are you doing here?
I came to tell you there has been an update to the investigation. We received an anonymous call saying that the murder weapon is at Deathstroke's former criminal base.
What? Well, that seems like a prank, don't you think?
Generated by Revoice. Maybe, but if we get that weapon, and if the fingerprints are on it, then we'll be able to aid our killer. I wanted you to know we're going